In today's guide, I will walk you through on how to find out information about a particular person or a particular thing using Google search engine. This is part of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. So, if you understand this, that means you're becoming an ethical hacker who does hacking for fun and to find out some information and not really to harm the intended target. All right. And this information we are going to find out in this video are informations that are made publicly available on the web. Anyone that is hidden, you can get them. All right. So you use it to gather information about a particular person or a particular thing. Let's just dive into it. To begin this process, first you need to open your web browser. So here I'll be using Google Chrome, okay? But you can use any other browser of your choice. If you are using any other web browser different from Chrome, it may have its own search engine. All right. So in this area, type google.com and visit the website. As the page opens, you will have an interface that looks like this. So let's perform our first basic search. All right. So here, I want to search for a particular word in a particular website. Take, for example, you previously did an assignment and you sourced your information from a particular website but you can't remember the link again. Okay, you can use this basic search approach to get to that website and then find the information. So let me give an example here. In this text here, you can see I have this text Microsoft OneDrive and the site is techsupportpoint.com. Listen, there is no space between this. So when you are searching, pay more attention to this. So from this Google operator, I'm telling Google to search for this term, Microsoft OneNote, all right, on this website, text support point. Okay, this website can be any other website of your choice that you want to find a specific information in. And this test can be anything other than this Microsoft OneNote. Okay, so you know what you want to search for, all right, in that website. So after typing that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard, and you can see this has returned some information to me. It shows me that Microsoft OneNote appears here in this link on this website. It shows me here there is a title here named How to Use OneNote in 2024 on this website as well, text support point. So you can start clicking on each of the search results one after the other until you get the information you are searching for on that particular website. Okay? And here you can see this is how to use OneNote in 2024. So you can read through and then you get the information you want to get at the end. Besides, this is my website. So if you want to read something on tech, just go there and read more. Okay. So let's go and use another Google operator to narrow our search the more. All right. So that you understand what this video is all about the more. Okay. Okay, this second example is a typical ethical hacking. All right. So here we are telling this Google search to go to this site, nimc.gov.ng, and then search for the links, that's the URLs that are available on the website, and search for the admin section which allows any administrator to sign in into the portal. All right. So after typing that, search, okay, for it to return some search results. You can see it has returned this one and it has returned this one. So what this means is that if we click here, we will be able to sign into the portal. All right. So let it open. So you can see on this page, it's telling us if you are working here under federal government of Nigeria, palliative e-recruitment dashboard. Okay. So if you're a staff here and you have an account here, you can type your email address and the password and log in. But please, if you don't have that access. If you are not an employee, don't do that, because you doing that means you're crossing the line and it's no longer ethical hacking. It's now a black hat hacker. All right. So don't do that. But this is how you can search for specific information. All right. Here, this site can be any website at all, and this in URL still stays the same because you're looking for admin section to sign in into the website. Okay, it can be Amazon, it can be Facebook, it can be anywhere. But the truth is, if you don't have access to the credentials that will allow you to sign in, you wouldn't be able to do that. That is what this Google hacking approach entails. So let's get to another example. Okay. The next approach we are going to use to get specific information of a particular target here is we'll be targeting a social media website whereby maybe you have a friend in the secondary school days, but you have lost his contact, but you want to use his name to search if he's available on Facebook. Okay, you can use this third approach to do that. So let me type in the Google operator that will allow us to do that. Okay. Okay, look at what we have here. Site facebook.com enters Jeff Bezos. All right. So these sites and enters are all Google operators. Okay. So here we are telling the Google to search on Facebook and display anywhere the name Jeff Bezos appears. All right. So this name can be any person, the name of the friend you want to target, you want to get some information about. Okay. You just type his information, his name here, and then in the site area, just put facebook.com. If the site is Instagram or X, anyone, just type the website here and then you search. Okay. And look at this. This has returned some information where the name Jeff Bezos appears on Facebook. Okay, so you can keep on clicking on each of these returns until you get the information you want about that particular person. All right, it may be the profile of that person or where the person appears in another publication on Facebook. Alternatively, here you have interest. You may change it to a particular phone number. So take for example, there is a phone number you have a phone number of a friend, but you don't know his Facebook username. You can type the phone number here, and after that, you press the enter key or the search button. Okay, this will display if that particular phone number is publicly available on Facebook, and from there you can get in touch with him or get the information you want to get about him. Okay, so let's go to the next approach on information gathering. Here I want to search for a title targeting a particular website. Okay, take for example, you're a student, you're working on a project, and you need to source information on a particular title targeting a particular website of your choice. Okay, using Google operators can still help you gather the information you need. So let's begin. Okay, in this case, I want to see if there is any book that is available on Amazon on importance of youth empowerment. Okay, you can see here the site here is amazon.com and text, which means the text I want to search about is importance of youth empowerment. So after that, just hit the search button and it will return some results. And here it has shown us that there is a book on importance of youth empowerment. If you scroll down, you will see other related text, okay, that picks some information about the title we are searching about. All right, so I'll click on this first option to see how it looks like. Okay, and here you can see this is importance of youth empowerment, basic information in youth and youth empowerment, written by this guy. Okay, so maybe this is your what you want to search about. All you need to do is to go ahead and order the book. All right, so this is how you can use Google hacking to get a specific information on a particular website. Okay, the last part of this teaching that I want us to carry out is on finding files type, okay, on a particular website. It can be PDF, it can be document, it can be PowerPoint file, presentation file, or any file type at all. Okay. And in this case, I want to target Harvard University website. Okay, searching for PDF files on the website on a particular topic. So let me structure how the text will look like, and from there we continue. Okay, take a look at this. I have this file type PDF, cybersecurity, site harvard.edu. Okay, this is website of Harvard University, harvard.edu. All right. Then file type that I'm telling this Google search engine here to please help me find out PDF files on the title cybersecurity on Harvard University website. Maybe I need to read something more on that and I need a reliable source. And Harvard University is well recognized globally. It's one of the best universities in the world, if not the best. And here you can see the test here. I have it as cybersecurity. This test can be anything, or you can remove it entirely. Maybe you want to find all the PDF files on this website, Harvard University website. All you need to do is then type the information file type, PDF, and then quote the website, harvard.edu. Okay, then it will return all the places PDF files appear on the website that are publicly available. The informations you're going to get are those that are publicly available. For those that are not public, you will not be able to do what? To see them. Okay, all right. So that's how it works. So this can be any website at all, but here I'm targeting Harvard University website. So after that, then search. All right. I hear it has returned a lot of search results for us. You can see this is pointing at Harvard University. This is pointing at Harvard University, cybersecurity and data processing, And here you have decision making and biases in cybersecurity capability. All right. So there are lots of PDF files on cybersecurity, and you can click on any and then download the information and consume. So these are how you can do specific searches on particular websites or on particular things. All right. But please don't use this information against the intended person or the intended target. If you do that, that means you are no longer doing ethical hacking. I believe you find this guide helpful. If you like a video like this, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss technology that cuts across so many areas. So if you're a lover of tech and you want to learn more about tech, subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you find this guide helpful or you need extra help. All right, just drop that in the comment section. Okay, hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will know that this guide is helpful. I recommend it to more people. To learn more on how to make good use of your computer, consider watching this video here. Thank you and see you some other time.